Ida Alexis, and I am officially back on YouTube, and I'll be posting videos every Tuesday and Thursday moving forward. So I'd like to start with my kitchen makeover tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I use contact paper to cover or wrap my cabinets, as well as the backsplash and the countertop. So what I'm going to do is actually change the color of the kitchen every 2 or 3 months. The next color being gray, and I'll show you guys like all the materials that I use. For materials, you're going to need contact paper, measuring tape, scissors, an X-Acto knife, and a squeegee to make your life easier. And then you're going to measure the backsplash space and cut the appropriate size contact paper to apply. On the back, you'll notice there are lines, so this way you guys can make sure you cut a straight line and it goes on evenly. So this is how it came out, and now I'm just going to do the same exact process for the countertops. And now I'm getting started on the cabinets and the kitchen island. So I'm using that same black marble contact paper for the top, and I'm going to use the matte black contact paper for the cabinets. Okay, so it is day 2 of my kitchen makeover. Guys, I'm like so in love with how it came out. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish wrapping that last cabinet and then a few small, other places. Use the same contact paper, and then I'm going to bring the island back over. I'm gonna start arranging the countertop, adding my decor, my plants, and then you guys will have an idea of like the end product I have in mind. So I'm just gonna do that and we should be done.